So the CLX is a CNC fiber laser that is really different than anything we've done in the past because it's built essentially out of all off-the-shelf parts. We don't make any of the circuit boards or program any small controls within boards. Everything's done through one PC over a EtherCAT bus. That makes it a lot faster in terms of what kind of processing we can do, what kind of feedback we get, either from our cutting process or from what the drives are doing. When I got hired on here, I transitioned right into TwinCAT 3 PC control. Being able to use object-oriented programming has made it a lot easier for me to get up and going with TwinCAT 3. So on our older controls, everything's 1 millisecond refresh rate. On the Beckhoff control, we're able to get down into the tens of microseconds when we need it. And all of that's driven directly by the speed of the EtherCAT bus. That's what gives us a lot more simplicity and speed.